everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can send money internationally on Xoom. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, and let's start. So to do so, all you have to do is simply access your particular Xoom app. Make sure you have installed the updated one, and you're gonna sign in or sign up using your PayPal. So if you haven't signed in, go ahead, sign in. If you have already done so, go ahead, log in. Once you have logged in, so for you to simply do send money internationally on Xoom, all you gotta do is sign in again using your PayPal, and from the home screen you're gonna choose the option of send money. Once you have chosen that, you're gonna enter the correct country, choose the country where you would like to send off your choose the country where you would like to send, and add in the information of your recipient. Provide the receiving method and the payment method of yours. Once you have provided the information and choose the correct currency for the money, you're gonna review all of the information and tap on send, and your money will be transferred. And that is basically how you do an international transaction through Xoom PayPal. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.